If your downloads in Comet Browser are starting to feel a bit messy, or everything keeps saving into one default folder and you can't find anything later, then this tutorial is going to help you fix that properly. Let's go step by step. First, open Comet Browser on your computer. Now look at the top right corner of the window and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu panel with your browser options. From here, look for and click on Settings. This will take you into the Comet Settings page. Now click on Downloads from the left-hand menu. If you don't immediately see it, you can also use the search bar inside Settings and type Downloads, and it will take you directly to the correct section. Inside the Download section, you will see the current default download location. This is the folder where every file you download from the internet is automatically saved. Next to the folder path, you will see a button that says Change. Click on that button. A File Explorer window will now open on your screen. This is where you can choose your new download location. You can pick any folder you want on your computer. For example, you might want a dedicated downloads folder on another drive, or you might want to organize files into specific categories like videos, documents, installers, or school files. Some users even create a completely new folder just for browser downloads so everything stays organized in one place. Once you've selected the folder you want, confirm your choice. At this point, Comet will immediately update your download location settings. From now on, every new file you download will automatically be saved into that folder instead of the default one. Now there's another important option you should know about in this section. You may see a setting called something like Ask where to save each file before downloading. If you enable this option, Comet will prompt you every single time you download a file. This means you can manually choose the folder for each download, which is useful if you work with different types of files and want to keep things very organized. Once you've adjusted everything, you can simply close the Settings tab. There is no Save button needed. All changes are applied automatically. And that's it. You've successfully changed the download location in Comet Browser. If this tutorial helped you out, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more browser guides, Chromium tutorials, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.